Morning, children. How are you? Fine. I welcome you to our English class. Again, our online class is started. Okay, all of you should observe videos carefully and learn the things which are explained in that. Children, today I am going to explain you the poem Freedom of a Bird. Okay, already we learnt in the class, but few people were absent, so I am repeating again. Right? So, in textbook page 87. Open textbook page 87. Here, freedom of a bird. You know, see, some people will keep the birds in cages, right? In cages. And they used to give food, water, everything what they want. But the bird is thinking of freedom. It wants freedom, not food or water or whatever, or golden cage, anything. Just birds want freedom. So here we are going to learn about freedom of a bird, how the bird is feeling. I feel I have no rights because I am caged for days and nights. I wish I too could go around, but my tiny cage is my ground. Here bird is saying, yes, I think I have to feel my rights. I have full rights of freedom. But I have caged in the day for the days and night. Even days and nights also I should be in the cage. Why? See, again the bird is saying, I wish I too could go around, but the cage is my ground. So where can I play? Where could I play? In the cage. Whatever I want to play, I have to play in the cage, and that cage is my ground. Actually, I want to fly around in the freely in the sky, but I these people they kept me in cages. Next, so I prayed and prayed with all my might, and God sent me a little angel. So the bird is saying, I prayed and prayed, I prayed for the God to set me free. Then God sent a little angel, okay? Angel. Then whom he had made for me, and that loving little angel, that angel set me free. So the beautiful girl who came from God, she set this bird free. I wish for every captured bird. Captured bird means the people who kept the birds in cages. So I pray that every captured bird, God sends an angel just like the one he sent for me, and then one day all birds will be free. Then here the poet is saying that, children, if God sent an angel like me, okay, who sent for me, then for that captured birds, for the birds which are in cages, all the birds will set free and they can freely fly in the sky. So this is the poem, right? Again I am reciting. I feel I have no rights because I am caged for days and nights. I wish I too could go around, but my tiny cage is my ground. So I prayed and prayed with all my might, and God sent me a little angel whom he had made for me, and that loving little angel, and that loving little angel, that angel set me free. I wish for every captured bird, God sends an angel just like one he sent for me, and then they all birds will be free.